If your influencer campaign looks like a mess of Google Sheets, emails, and DMs, you're not alone. It really can get chaotic, but only if you're not using the right tool. With Impulze.ai, you get one simple dashboard to do it all. Track influencers, manage relationships, monitor performance, and see what's actually working. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your first campaign and manage it in minutes. First, open Impulze.ai and go to the Campaign tab. This is where all your campaigns will be listed. Click the Create Campaign button to start a new one. Now fill in the campaign details like title, budget, and objective, and move to the next step. It's time to create a workflow. You can customize the stages based on how your campaign runs. Feel free to add or remove stages as needed. Next, configure your campaign settings. If you want live tracking using hashtags, you can enable that too. This will automatically add influencers and the content they posted mentioning the hashtags. Once everything looks good, just hit Create Campaign. This is your campaign dashboard, where you can see everything at a glance. Participants, content, workflow progress, briefs, notes, and activities, links, and uploads. Now, if you had selected hashtag tracking, you can see the influencers in the dashboard, or you can manually add influencers to your campaign. The dashboard will show their key details like engagement rate, follower count, and status. You can add briefs and payment details, making it super easy to keep track of every creator's progress. Now let's move to the Content tab. Here again, if you have already added a hashtag, the content will appear automatically. In addition, you can upload stories, reels, or posts by simply clicking Add Post and pasting the link. Impulze will take care of tracking views, likes, and more. In the Performance tab, you can view both individual creator performance and overall campaign analytics. You can also use it as a leaderboard. Use the sorting feature to see who leads in engagement, reel views, comments, and so on. In the Progress tab, you can manage your workflow stages by dragging and dropping creators to where they are in the funnel. The other tabs, Requirements, Links, Uploads, and Activities, are simple to use and help you manage all the moving parts in one place. Once your campaign is live, you can share a public link with your teammates or clients. It shows them everything, from max reach and CPC to participants and post-performance, without giving them full access to your dashboard. You can also edit the campaign at any time if plans change. So that's how easy it is to create and manage a full influencer campaign using Impulze.ai. No more juggling spreadsheets, chasing updates, or spending hours on reports. Everything you need is in one place, which is fast, organized, and built to save you time. Create your free account today. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.